Hello guys, welcome back to Bit One Great. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you how to make an image using Dall E 2, which is OpenAI's project for image creation. Okay, so the website says that Dall E2 is a new AI system that can create realistic image and art from description in natural language. So basically, you can make a request in text form to this AI system to make a picture or photo like this. Okay, so and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, and to do that, you need to have a account at OpenAI. You can do so. You can do that by clicking here and follow the instruction from OpenAI. Okay. Okay. So once you sign up and log in, you're gonna see this web page. Okay. And instruction is very simple. So you just need to input your request here in a text form. Okay. And this in this video, I'm gonna request. Okay. Uh, I'm gonna request this AI system to give me a painting of a robot in Picasso style. Okay. And you click generate here. Okay, here generate to execute this request. Okay. Okay. It takes time for AI system to produce an image, and this is the image uh, generated from AI system, which never existed before. Okay. And and you Google and look for the how the Picasso picture look like. This is the picture by paintings by Picasso. Okay, and you can see that uh, the picture generated by Dall E2 system looks quite like Picasso's actual painting. Okay, so this is the uh, uh, image generated by the Dall E2 AI system. Okay, and I think this is a great if you wanna like make a new image for your user profile or logo. Okay, so there's no copyright issue. Okay, so you can just ask the system to generate new original image. Okay, and let's try other style. Okay, so this time I'm gonna ask the uh, system to generate a robot in Monet style. Monet is very famous uh, artist. This takes some time, but we're gonna get a new image. Okay. Once, okay, okay. This is the new image generated from the system. Okay, and let's see if this actually uh, look like other Monet's painting. Okay, I googled Monet's painting, and this is Monet's famous paintings. Okay, and uh, you can see that these paintings are in Monet style. Okay, okay. This is really amazing. Okay, okay, and I want to try other famous style, Mondrian. Okay, okay. This is Mondrian style of robot. Okay, uh, let's check it. Let's check if this follows the Mondrian's other style. Okay, so this is Mondrian's paintings, and you can see other paintings by Mondrian, and our new image. Uh, you can see that this is certainly in Mondrian's style. Okay, and these images look quite stylish too. Okay, so I think this Dall E2 system is really a useful tool to generate to create new images. Okay, and see and and if you just sign up, you get 50 credit for free. Okay, and this is only like $15 for 115 credit. Okay, so I think the service is quite affordable and also free at the beginning. So I highly recommend you to try this new system. Okay, provided by the OpenAI. Okay, so I just show you how to generate a new image by AI system using Dall E2 system. Okay, for free. Okay, so I hope that you find this quite interesting, and if you liked my video, please like and subscribe, and I will come back with more useful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.